NLS Digital Advanced Player 2 How-To Series, How to Use the Auto Download feature.
Hello, I'm Amber Piercy, Braille Development Officer from the Patron Engagement section at NLS. In this edition of the DA2 How-To series, I'm going to cover the Auto Download from Wishlist feature. The DA2 has a feature that will automatically download a set number of titles from the top of your Bard wishlist. You can enable this feature in the Bard settings. When accessing these items from the bookshelf, the DA2 will announce Automatically Downloaded. Deleting one of your automatically downloaded titles will cause the next title on your Bard wishlist to automatically download and become available on your bookshelf. Before you can use the Auto Download from Wishlist feature, you will need to make sure a few things are set up. First, connect the DA2 to a Wi-Fi network. See the tutorial on how to connect to a wireless network if you need help with this. Next, log into your Bard account. The tutorial covering how to log into Bard can guide you through this process. Then, you'll need to add titles to your wish list. There are several ways to accomplish this. The reader advisors at your local Braille and Talking Book library can add titles to your Bard wish list. Give them a call and make a request. Or, you can add them yourself using any of the various Bard platforms, such as the Bard website, Bard Mobile, Bard Express, or by accessing Bard on your DA2 player. For assistance with adding titles to the wishlist using your DA2, refer to the tutorial covering NLS Bard mode. Finally, you must turn on the Auto Download from Wishlist feature. To do this, open the DA2 menu by pressing and holding the Info button until you hear the message Entering Menu. Use the left or right arrows to navigate to Settings and press the Info button to open it. Use the right arrow to navigate to NLS Bard Settings and press Info to open it. Press the right arrow to navigate to Download Wishlist automatically. If this is off, press Info to turn it on. Once you turn it on, the set number of titles will be added to the download queue. Once this feature is enabled, you can also set the number of titles for automatic download. After selecting the Download Wishlist Automatically setting in the menu, press the right arrow to set the number of books to download. The default number is 3, with a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10. If you would like to change the number, press the Info button to open this setting, and then use the left and right arrows to navigate to the number you would like. Press the Info button to choose it. When you are finished making changes, press the up arrow repeatedly until you exit the menu. For more information about the NLS DA2 audio player, see the other tutorials in this series.